Hi my loves, Lesleyanne here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name, as I said, is Lesleyanne. I do a video and upload 3 times a week. That would be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Sometimes I do the odd little bonus video here and there. Most of my videos are related to like lifestyle videos, but I also do a little bit of like the mature beauty. I do lots of shopping hauls, of course, and I do some crafting, some charity shop / thrifting, and sometimes some try-on hauls. I also do some cooking and baking videos, so take a look at my channel. If there's something there that you think you'd like to see more of, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press that notification bell, then of course you will know when I've done my next video. And if you enjoy any of my videos, please give me a nice big thumbs up. Anyway, today's video is a Birchbox video. So I've received my Birchbox for June. I actually received it yesterday. On the side here it's got hello, nice to meet you. I'm 100% recycled and recyclable cardboard box, and then just got Birchbox on the ends, and then at the side here it's got please don't put me in the bin, recycle me instead, and then of course Birchbox again on the end here, and my address on the bottom. So I thought I'd just open it now. If you see me wincing, it's because I've got a really bad back. It's so painful right now, but I really wanted to get this video done. And this is what the box looks like for June. Express Yourself Birchbox. There we go. And it's rather a pretty box. It's quite small, but it's pretty, kind of a summery colour, I guess. A little bit ombre with the yellow, the orange, the purple, the pink. I actually do quite like that. So let's take the lid off. And then inside, there we go, it says Express Yourself. So let's have a little peep at the little magazine that comes with it. I have got a hair somewhere. Okay, pop the specs on for this. So it says Express Yourself, and then inside it does tell me about what's in the box. But first of all it says, hello Birchboxers, we are all unique and that's something worth celebrating. With your June Birchbox and all year long, we want you to celebrate your unique self and embrace the individuality that makes you you. This month is all about taking pride in who you are, expressing yourself and living life according to you, not anyone else. It's all about more pride, more acceptance and more love. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice sentiment anyway. Okay, so I'm going to get on actually now to the items that are in here. And I'm going to pick out the very first one, which is Jacka Black, and it's a champagne priming glow drop. This is a full size item, and it is valued at £16. It says here, these multitasking illuminating drops can be worn alone or over makeup as a shimmery liquid highlight, perfect for all skin tones. Simply apply a few drops of this bold sparkling gold shade and blend or pat onto high points of the face for a dewy lit within look. And then it's got master the dewy look by layering highlight over other products like blush to boost your glow. Okay, so £16. Let's dig that one out. Okay, so this is the one. Here we go. So that is £16 recommended retail price. So let's pop some on, shall we? I'll just get the little doodah off if I can, you know, like the little seal. I find I'm always hopeless trying to get these off, I tell you. Oh, did it. Yay. Okay, let's go to the hand. And what the consistency is like. It's quite thick actually. It's thicker than I thought it would be. It's pretty. It's very pretty. I don't know if you can think you can sort of see what that's like. Very glowy. I really like it. I don't know that I would... Well, let's have a little go, shall we? Shall I pop a little bit on to see what it's going to be like? So we just want little bits really, don't we? On the high points, they said. There we go. Don't want to overdo it. Especially at my age, because it just like sinks into the wrinkles, so you need to be really, you know, careful not to get it sort of here around like all the lines of your eyes when you're older. I quite like it. I'm going to pop a little bit onto my eyelids actually, just to see what that would look like. So okay, let's just, because I think that could look quite pretty. Obviously not as a day look, but you know, in an evening. Oops, I've got a bit there. It's quite pretty, isn't it? I need to do the other eye now. Okay, let's do the other eye. Just sort of pat it on. Right, so there we are. Look, I've got it on the eyelids. And it's quite nice. I quite like that one. Okay, specs back on. And number 2. Amica. Flash Instant Shine Mask. Okay, if your hair is looking a little dull and you need fast but effective solution, look no further than the Amica Flash Instant Shine Mask. The amino acids and UV filters keep the colour bold and vibrant and your hair nourished, revitalised and shining brightly. Did we mention it does all of this in just 60 seconds? Talk about a quick fix. And then it's got, that's right, Amica is a friend to hair. Her, him, them, you. Everybody. Okay. Recommended retail price £20. It doesn't say that I've got a full size though, so I would imagine I don't. Is that it? Okay. So this is what it looks like. Flash Instant Shine Mask. What does it say I have to do? Okay, if I can read it on here. I wasn't sure whether it was something you would just leave in, but it is a mask that you just pop in, leave it for 1 minute, so you just put it onto your hair, and you know, strands of your hair, leave it for a minute and then you rinse out. So yeah, that's that one. Number 3 is Lilac Silicone Mask Applicator. Okay, Lilac Silicone Mask Applicator keeps any dirt, oil or germs that may be hanging out of your hands from getting onto your face. By using this applicator, you'll prevent unwanted breakouts, which may be why you're using a mask in the first place, cut down on product waste and keep your hands totally mess-free when masking. Keep your applicator squeaky clean with warm water and a gentle cleanser. So this is a full-size price and it's valued at £6. So here it is in the packaging. Do you know what? I bought one of these the other day. But this does look like it's better value, in all honesty. Just looks and feels a bit different. It actually feels really weird. It feels quite sort of sticky, but it's not sticky, but it's got a bit of a texture to it. I guess that's to make the product stay on before you put it on. I like this. I really do like it. There you go. That's what it looks like, guys. That was £6. I don't know that I would have bought it for £6, but maybe if I had seen it being used by somebody and thought that's really good, then I may, but I don't know. I don't know. I'll let you know how it goes. Very interesting though. Okay, product number 1, 2, 3, 4. Aqua Hero Hydrating Body Balm. The recommended retail price is £17.90 for a full size. This is not a full size. The creamy body balm enriched with sweet almond oil and shea butter is a summer skin saviour. Made with 96% natural ingredients, it moisturises, softens and comforts skin, while its delicate marine scent captures the essence of sea air, transporting you to the seaside. Hero ingredient is chrysanthemum maritime, energises the skin and gives the body balm its unique marine fragrance. So the hero ingredient is chrysanthemum maritime. Okay, yeah. So that is this one here. I mean, there's decent size here. I have got 40 mils, and the full size, you see, would come like that with your little pump. Okay, so let's try this on the arm. Oh, another seal. Let's get that one off. Okay, let's get it up here onto the arm. Oh, it does look like it's got a little bit of a greeny tinge, doesn't it? Like an aquamarine colour. Smells. It actually does smell a little bit like the seaside, and that's a weird thing to say, isn't it? But it's a bit like, you know, when you go to the seaside and you've got the smell of the sea, the sand, the suntan lotion, you've got everything. It's yeah, that's bizarre. So let's pop this on, see how it goes in to my extremely dry skin. It should be in within seconds, I imagine. And it is. Oh, that feels lovely. Oh, it smells. It does. It just smells fresh. It smells really nice. Really nice. I'm going to see how I get on with this one. But this would be something I could be interested in. I mean, okay, let's see if we can make a comparison. Arm I haven't touched. The arm that I have, I think the top one looks more hydrated, right? So that's that one. I'll pop some on my other arm in a minute. Okay, product number 5. Number 5 is by Sand and Sky. It's Brilliant Skin Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Perfect for me to use with my little mask applicator. Okay. It's not hard to see why this mask has been an instant hit. The 4-in-1 formula detoxes, invigorates, refines and brightens your complexion with a healthy dose of pink clay, plus smoothing aloe vera and pomegranate, tightening pores for radiant skin. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave to dry. You'll turn from pink to white and then remove with water. A whopping 96% of people report seeing results from this Insta-famous mask. Okay, so the recommended retail price, so full price for full-size product is £36.90. Don't have a full size, but I do have 13 grams in here, so probably enough to do a couple of face masks. So I am going to just take the lid off, have a quick look at the colour, take the little seal off. Excuse me for doing that, but I think a lot of us do it. Okay, so they said it turns from pink to white, so let's pop it there in my hand. Okay, so it's a very pale pink, lovely texture, feels beautiful, really nice and cool, and thick. Feels really thick. You can see that little tiny bit. I could probably even spread that out, but I wouldn't spread it out any more than that. So I'm just going to leave that, see how long it takes before it goes white, and then I'll get on to the final product, which is by Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Mask. Like an energy drink for your under eyes, these soothing, hydrating gel patches are packed with nutrient-rich minerals for bright, youthful peepers. Their toning properties counteract blue-purple tones of tired eyes, and their cooling anti-inflammatory effects counteracts the redness and puffiness associated with too much sun, poor sleep and harsh makeup removers. These eye gels also protect against the visible effects of blue light exposure. Sounds brilliant. That sounds definitely like my eyes. £16 it says. I don't know if that is the price of just 2 or if you would get more than 2 in a full-size pack. I don't know, it doesn't say. So obviously you've got one for each eye here. Don't think there's any more than 2 in the pack, it doesn't look like it. So that's what they look like. This mask is still a bit tacky. It hasn't gone completely white, so I'll just do a recap of everything. Okay, so the glow drops. Also had the little brush to put the mask on, so I'll be able to use that, won't I? And obviously the mask came with it. Also the Flash conditioner for your hair, and the beautiful skin moisturiser, and then the eye masks you need to go underneath. So this has actually dried now, and it has gone white, so I will be taking that off. In fact, I'll just wipe it off now. I'll just pop a little bit of toner on there to take it off. Use a little cotton pad. And that's it, yeah, it's off. I maybe should have done the whole of the back of my hand, but that patch there is where I did it, and yeah, feels lovely. And that, my lovelies, brings me to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a nice big thumbs up. That really helps my channel out no end. It does let YouTube know that you're enjoying my videos. Yeah, and I'm really happy with what I've got this month. I mean, sometimes in Birchbox you get a little bit of everything. You might get a bit of makeup, you might get a bit of skincare, hair care, but this month it does seem to be, as they've said, all about you and looking after you. I'm very happy with it. Can't wait to start using the bits and bobs in here. Until the next one then, my lovelies, I'll see you then. Bye for now. Bye bye. Bye.